$600 million. That's not just a number, it's justice in action, at least potentially. In 2024, Norfolk Southern proposed a landmark class action settlement for a devastating toxic spill from a train derailment in East Palestine, Ohio. But what does that mean for you if you're in a car crash in Texas? Well, today we're going to be breaking down the latest 2025 personal injury law statistics that could change the game for claimants and defendants alike. But first, let's talk about what happened in Ohio. In April 2024, Norfolk Southern reached a $600 million settlement in principle to resolve claims from the residents affected by the train derailment in East Palestine. Though it isn't solely a personal injury case, it largely deals with both environmental and public health harm. It's a critical example of how large-scale harm can translate into multi-million-dollar settlements. The case is still going through court approval and challenges, but it illustrates the power of class actions when it comes to holding corporations accountable. But how does that compare with the national average? Well, here's some numbers from 2024 that just came out across 3 different states. New York had total payouts of $372 million, with an average payout of $565,000. But look at Florida. In Florida, there were payouts of $203.9 million for 670 claims, with an average payout of about $300,000. Now let's go to the West Coast. Total payouts were lower, $162 million for about 513 claims, which averages out to about $317,000 per claim. But why do we care? Well, in Texas, we sit between these 2 states, or these 3 states in terms of extremes. First, we don't have caps except for in mal cases of about $250,000. That means here you have stronger chances of fair compensation when compared to other states that have harsher caps. But it's critical to understand that these numbers, they're not just statistics. They translate into real lives impacted, families needing justice, and broader accountability for corporations and negligent parties alike. So whether it's a car crash or the Norfolk train derailment, statistics are key. And you need an attorney who understands the nuances of not only the state law claims, but nationwide trends. Whether it's a toxic spill affecting an entire community or a car crash changing your life, the fight for justice is about making sure compensation fits the harm. And that fight is becoming more data-driven, more public, and more accessible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another video. See you next time.